Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme on this XIAOMI device. Start by opening Settings, then you need to click on Themes and tap on More over here. Now tap on the search bar and type whatever you want to, for example, kitten. Then pick theme that you like the best, I will go with that one, and click at the green button. Now click Apply. Sorry, misclick. And click Home button. As you can see, theme of my device has changed, but if you wish to go back into the default one, you can always go back into the same settings. Choose themes again, tap on My Themes this time over here, and select one of the default ones by clicking on the chosen one and tapping Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!